The Adobe Dynamic Link allows us a smooth connection between Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, just letting you link and edit compositions between the two applications or programs without rendering or exporting. It just saves quite a lot of time to be able to work like this instead, and that reduces the need to have just like a multiple of different type of files, as you can just link them together. And it's also really great if you're doing more type of complex effects that you might need After Effects for within Premiere Pro. Then it's super handy. Real live updates, just a faster way to doing it within or between the actual two softwares or programs. And the new Premiere Pro sequence we just created will now show up here in the very project panel, and we're able to add this to the timeline. Now going back to Premiere Pro, adding a little bit of footage to the project panel and to the timeline. This will immediately now show up in After Effects on the dynamic linked sequence. So also possibly choosing to directly be able to locate an existing Premiere Pro sequence. To make any type of changes inside After Effects to be able to view it within Premiere Pro, we can mark the layer within Premiere Pro, choosing Replace with After Effects Composition, and thus taking us back again to After Effects and a new comp where all changes here appear just directly in Premiere Pro as well. Then further create a new or just import After Effects composition. We're now locating our project and one or several different compositions from that project. But here I will choose the Dynamic Link Comp, and thus creating this new file in the project panel to be able to drag in very handy in the timeline. Going back again to After Effects and opening the Dynamic Link composition, any changes made here now will show directly in Premiere Pro. Super nice. Anytime we want to make those really quick and efficient changes between the two softwares, then this is the way to go. And there's actually also another great feature that we were able to move footage and layers just quickly between the softwares using copy and paste. And it works for not all layers, but for example with solids that we can copy and paste between the softwares, and it's functioning between the two layer panels and between the two timeline panels.